Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 9th NCERT Chapter 14 Statistics. Previous lecture I have explained about the inclusive frequency distribution table. In this you will study the grouped frequency distribution table. What is the grouped frequency distribution table means? Exclusive or continuous. Exclusive means one will be excluded out of this. Like it is called also the joint class interval. Joint class interval means like a example 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. One class limit is repeating. In 0 to 10, 0 is the lower limit and 10 is the upper limit. In 20 to 30, 10 is the lower limit and 20 is the upper limit. You see that here 10 is the upper limit of the first class interval, is the lower limit of the second class interval. This is repeated. It means it will be counted only when it is lower. Now, and so on. Like this you are here, 20 is repeated here, 30 will be repeated there. So, upper limit of the previous class is exclusive. That is called the exclusive. Exclusive means you will not count in 0 to 10. 10 will be counted into 10 to 20. It will be count in the next successive class interval. Now, very important, 10 is the lower limit of 10 to 20. So, it will be count in 10 to 20, not in 0 to 10. 0 to 10, 10 when it will be lower, 10 is exclusive here. That's why it is called exclusive. But in that the place inclusive, what I have told in previous, which is not continuous, there is a gap between the two class limits. 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, these are called the inclusive, means both are included here. 11 is also, 20 is also there counted, because 20 is not here. 21, 30, here no any 30 and 21 is present in this. So both lower and upper limit will be count into the same class interval. 11 to 20, 11 is the and 20 both will be in the same class interval, you will count. In the width of the joint class interval, how will you get? Width, joint class interval, yesterday I also have told you how the width means size of the upper limit minus lower limit. 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10. Direct you are getting. But if the width of the disjoint, how will you get the width of the disjoint class interval? It is class inclusive. Width and size is upper minus lower plus difference. Difference is 1, then you add 1. Difference is 2, you can add. It means if it is given 0 to 8 and then 10 to 18 like this. There 10 and 18, then 20 to 28. Gap is 2, then you will add the 2. What is the add? That accordingly you will get. So 11 minus 20 plus 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. What is the size? 20 minus 11 plus 1, you will get 10. 21, 30 minus 21 plus 1, because difference between upper and lower is 1. So 10. 31 to 40, 40 minus 31 plus 1 is equal to 10. It is called the 1 will be added, difference will be added here. That's you get the class size. So now, how will you change the disjoint to the joint class interval? Disjoint to joint class interval means when there is a gap, how will you fill the gap? Like 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60. There is a gap. Gap of 30 and 31 is 1. Upper, successive and predecessor and successor, upper limit and lower limit difference you take. First of all, lower limit is 31, upper limit is 30. Here lower limit of this is 31 and upper limit is 30 of this. I am taking the 31 to 40 and 21 to 32 successive. So upper limit 1 and lower limit of the next one. Both difference you find out. What is given? 1. You are getting the difference is 1. It is 1 difference. So half of the difference, it is the formula, half of the difference you take. 0.5. You want to count This difference will be subtracted from the, now I am making, what I am making? Joint. You are making the joint. How? Lower minus difference, upper plus difference. 21 minus 0.5 is 20.5, 30 plus 0.5 is 30.5. Same thing you will get the next one. No need to show, that I am showing you because you are understanding. No need to show all. Only one you show if there is needed. Otherwise directly you can get 30 to 40 will be upper limit of this. 30 minus 0.1 means 30.5 to 40 plus 0.40.5. Next I have not calculated written 40.5 to 50.5, 50.5 to 60.5. Now it is a joint class interval. Earlier it was disjoint class interval. Here it is different. So how will you change it? Is sometimes you get a question only for changing, no any solution. You change the. Now by the help of this we will see the exercise 14.2 of your chapter. 14.2 in the book NCERT. First question. The blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. These are the blood group 4 type A, B, O and AB. Represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table. Which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? Most common and rarest. That first of all we'll find out. How will you make the table? That you see. First of all, you see how will you make this. Very important. You will read the here A, B, O. Tally marks. Here I have make the blood group A, B, O and AB, tally mark and frequency. Now first of all you will write A. A, B, O. You read from here. Read from this place. A, B, O. I am reading 3. And put the in front of A1, B1, O1. Then O, A, B, O. Here what? O and AB. So again O and AB. Put the tally mark. Then O, A, O. O, A, O. 4. O, A, O. Then B, A, O. B, A, O. Fifth one is this slant line. B, A, O. B, A, O. Again O. Now next line will come A, A, B. A, A, B. Then you will get O, A, A. O, A, A. Then O, O, A, B. O, O, A, B. Very carefully you see the how will you cut. B, A, O. B, A, O. B, A. B, A. B, O. B and O. Now 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. 9. 5 plus 1. 6. 5, 5, 10 plus 2. 12 and 3. 9 plus 6, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 30. Total 30. You are like this you will make. Total 30 are there, which is the frequency distribution table you are getting. What is the, so your question is given, which is the most common? Most common? What is the most common? Most common blood group will be whose frequency is maximum, that is O. Most common is O, which is the maximum time repeated. O is the maximum time repeating. Which frequency is, which is the least? Blood group among these students is the least. Rarest is AB because 3 is the frequency. So rarest, what will you write? Rarest is AB group together. It is the rarest. Now question number 2. In the question number 2, what will you get? In the question number 2, the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers are given from their homes. Construct the group frequency distribution with the class size 5 that given 0 to 5. 5 is not included. Not included means joint. 5 is not included means it is a joint. 0 to 5. If you write 6 to 10, then it will be counted here, but it is 5 not included, means 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. What main features do you observe from the tabular representation? So first of all, here I have put the table. Minimum value, you will see from this minimum, what is the minimum is 2, maximum is 32. Out of this table you will find out 32 is the maximum and minimum is 2. Then you are putting what is 32. Class size is given 0 to 5, 5 to 2, up to 7, means 32 is the maximum. It means till 35 built in. How will you decide? And from where you start? 2 is the minimum, from 0 you start. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Why 35? Because maximum is 32. So again I have not solved this question. You will solve. Because this is very lengthy, so we will take the like this. From this line it is lengthy, so from top to bottom you take 5, 19, 7. 5 will be not counted here. 5 will be here. Where will you count the 5? 5 is not 0 to 5, though 2 places. So here it will be the 5. 5, 19, 7, 12. 19 will be here. 7, 12. Like this. 5, 19, 7, 12. 3, 10, 9, 14. 3, 10, 9, 14. You see that? Very important thing. 10 2 times. So where you will not put here 10. 10 will be here. Where is lower limit? Again 10, 12, 7, 2. 10, 12, 7, 2. 10, 12, 7, 2. 20, 17, 8, 9. 20, 17, 8, 9. 25, 18, 3, 6. 25, 18, 3, 6. Where is the 6? Here. 11, 11, 5, 15. 11, 11, 5, 15. 13, 32, 12, 15. 13, 32, 12, 15. Here. 7, 17, 15, 7. 7, 17, 15, 7. Here. 12, 16, 18. 12, 16, 18, 6. Where is the 6? Here. 31, 2. Where is 31? 31, 2. 2 is here. 3 is also here. 12. 12 is where? 10 to 12. Here 12. Now you count these tally. 5, 5, 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 5, 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 5, 4, 9. 1, 1, 2. Add it. 5, 6, 7, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2 to 4, 40. When your total is coming 40, in exact question also it is given 40. If it is not given, you can't do it. Then what main features do you observe from the tabular representation? Maximum are within 15 kilometer. Where? Maximum are within 20 kilometers. Maximum are within 20 kilometer. Where are you getting? Maximum are because 11, 11, 22, 22 and 9. Maximum are within 20 kilometer. Maximum are within how many kilometers? It is given distance within 20 kilometer. It is the solution. It is the answer of the question what is given. What main features do you have there? And very few are there more than 20 more than 20 kilometers are equal to 20. Very few. Because how many? 2 plus 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Only 4 are there which is more than 20 kilometers. So like this, question number 3 is given. The relative humidity is given in this percentage. 30 days was followed. Construct a group frequency distribution table. Construct a group frequency distribution table for the 84, 86. What is given? 84 to 86, 86 to 88. 2 gap. What is the minimum? 84.9. Maximum you find out after this class is given in the question. So 84 to 80, what maximum is 84, started from 84 and maximum or minimum is 84. 99 means 100. Till 100 you do 2 gaps, you write 84, 86, 86, 88, 88, 89, 90, 90 to 92, like this 98 to 100. You are getting, this is the tally marks. Tally marks I have already done and you can solve, you will get yourself, don't see. Then you are getting 30. Your question is also given, which month the season do you think this data? Because it is June or in the monsoon, when the rainy season only this humidity. First answer. Third is given, what is the range of this data? Range means maximum minus minimum. Range is 14.4 degree centigrade. It degree 14.4% it variate. It is the called range. Question number 4 is given, the height of 50 students are given here in centimeter. Represent this in the distribution table is given 160 to 165, 5 gap. But here 160 is given. You can't start from 160. How will you do? First of all, you check what is the minimum. Minimum is 150, maximum is 173. Then your table will be started from 150. 150 to 155, 155 to 60, 160 to 160, like this. Maximum is 73 means till 75. Then like a previous question number 2, I have told you read one by one from here. You read one by one from here and then you put the tally mark. You will get this solution. You will get 12, 9, 14, 50. It is your table. And then your question is given, what can you conclude that the heights from the table? You are concluding here that more than 50%, because some of these is 35. So 35 student out of how many? 50 are not more than 165. It is have height less than 165 centimeter, maximum 165. It is the observation. But very few are there which has the lies between 170 to 1. Only 5 are there. Very few are there. Minimum is 5. So you can write this result. That's all for today. Rest questions I will explain in the next lecture of this exercise. So you please, third and fourth question yourself you make it tally marks. Thanks.